Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I hope you are following. You have done your classwork, right? So today, like I said in the last class, I said I'm going to be teaching us in the next class subtraction of a fraction. Subtraction of fraction. You know, when you say subtraction, you know what it means, right? Subtraction is to do what? Minus. Your subtraction is your minus. So I'm going to be giving us some work here. Solve the following fraction. Solve the following fractions. So what we'll do here, I'll give us questions and we will solve them. We have question number 1. 5/6 minus 2/3. Question number 2. 2/3 minus 1/6. Question number 3. 2/3 minus 1/4. Question 4. Question 4. 11/12 minus 1/4. Question 5. Question 5. 3/4 minus 5/8. Excuse me, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back, welcome back. So, we have 5 questions here to solve. Question number 1. 5/6 minus 2/3. 2/3 minus 1/6. 2/3 minus 1/4. 11/12 minus 1/4. 3/4 minus 5/8. What we are going to be doing, like I taught us, when it comes to addition of fraction and subtraction of fraction, when your question is given unto you, the first thing to do is to do what? Look for LCM. As far as it's addition of fraction and the subtraction of fraction, the first thing is to do what? LCM. Let's say solution. Solution. Number 1. 5/6. I'm writing it over 3. Now we say look for the LCM of, you know, your what's it called? Denominators. LCM of, let me clean it. I want to divide this board. LCM of, let me divide this like this. LCM of 6 and 3. This and this. Now let's look for the LCM of 6 and 3. You may not show your work in your notebook. You may get another rough sheet. Get another rough sheet. Do your LCM. After getting your LCM, you now bring it here. What do I mean? Let me assume this is my rough sheet. I'll now say LCM of 6 and 3. What is the smallest number that can divide any of this without remainder? 2 can go because there is 6 there. 2 can divide 6 without remainder, right? But it cannot divide 3 without remainder. 2 go into 6, 3. 2 go into 3, there will be remainder. So we are not looking for remainder. I said whenever you are dividing a number that will have a remainder, you repeat that number. Since you cannot divide without remainder, repeat the number. We have 3 here, we have 3 here. Can 2 divide any of this without remainder? No. 2 cannot divide without remainder. If 2 divide 3, there will be remainder. It will be 1, 1, remainder 1. But when we are solving LCM, we don't need remainder. Do you understand? That's one of the things you should understand. While solving LCM, looking for your LCM, you don't need a remainder. So any number that cannot divide without remainder, that number cannot, any number you choose that cannot divide that number without remainder, it cannot be used. You get. So 2 says 2 cannot go. Let's try 3. Can 3 go without remainder? Yes. 3 go into 3, 1. 3 go into this 3, 1. You get. So like I told you, you now come and circle these ones. It's going to be 2 times 3 is equal to what? 6. This is our LCM. I don't think there is another number here. You now say 2 times this 3 times that number. Even if it's long, you now be bringing them one after the other. But this one, in this case, now we have only 2 numbers. So our LCM is 6. We now repeat this. 5 over 6 minus 2 over 3. I told you the first thing you do, rule your division line. You put your what? LCM. Our LCM there is 6, right? Put 6 here. 6 going to 6 divided by 6, 1. 1 times 5, or 5 times 1, give us 5, right? The last time when we were doing addition of a fraction, we were using plus because it's addition. But this case, we are using minus because it is what? Subtraction. So instead of the plus we used the other time, this time around now we are doing minus. So you can now repeat this minus. Don't go and put plus here. Children, don't put plus. It's not allowed. Because why? Because we are not doing addition of a fraction. It's very simple. So we are using minus because we are doing addition of subtraction of a fraction. So let's go. Minus 3 divided by 6, 2, right? Yes. 3 divided by 6. 6 oranges, 3 puppies. Go and share it. Please do that for me. 6 oranges being shared by 3 puppies. How many are they going to take it? They will take it 2, 2. God bless you. I said 2. So it's going to be 2. 3 divided by 6 is going to be 2. 2 times this 2 will give us 4. Do you get now? So equal to 5 minus 4, 1, all over 6. So this is our final answer. We are going to leave it like this because it's a proper fraction. So this is our answer. I'm going to solve question number 2. Then I will give you the rest as classwork and assignment. You get? Question number 2. 2 over 3 minus 1 over 6. Please come along with me. We said you should do or look for LCM. Now, what is the LCM of 3 and 6? Don't forget that we have looked for LCM of 6 and 3 before. So 6 and 3 and 3 and 6 is still the same thing. So LCM of 3 and 6 is what? 6. And I'll do this. I'm repeating this. Minus 1 over 6 equal to, I now rule my division line. LCM of 3 and 6 is what? 6. Because we did it here before. When we were solving question number 1. We have the same denominators. Do you understand? Don't be confused. 3 going to 6 will give us 2. 2 times this 2. 4, right? 4. Minus 6 divided by 6. 1. 6 oranges. 6 puppies. Go and share it. How many are you going to collect? 1. You share it 1, 1. It will get to everybody 1, 1. So 6 divided by 6 will give us 1. 1 times 1 will give us 1. So 4 minus 1. 4 oranges. Why 4 oranges? You take away 1. Remain how many? 3 over 6. What we'll do here, let's break this 3 over 6 down. 3 go into 3, 1. 3 go into 6, 2. So our answer is going to be 1 over 2. So this is our final answer. So you are given 2 over 3 minus 1 over 6. Solving this, subtracting this from this, your answer is going to be 1 over 2. So what you will do for me, I'm going to do one more question. That is question number 4. I will do question number 4. I'll do question number 4. Then you will not do the rest for me. You will do 3 and 5 for me. So let me say question number 4. I'm looking for 11 over 12 minus 1 over 4. What's the LCM of 12 and 4? It's going to give us 12. But let's see how we will get it. 12, 4, right? 2 go into 12. I put 2 here. 2 go into 12. Children, please understand this. Any number you are using to divide. Now, I have cleaned the 2. As I say 2 go into 12. I can't divide without adding that 2. You get? As I'm saying, what number can divide 12 and 4 without remainder? Is 2, right? As I'm mentioning the 2, I'm writing it here. Do you understand? So, 2 go into 12. 2 divided by 12 give us 6, right? To give us 6. 2 divided by 4 will give us what? 2. We have 6 and 2 now. What's the smallest number that can go? 2 can as well go, right? You now put 2 here. 2 divided by 6, 3. 2 divided by 2, 1. Right? Now we're having 3 and 1. What is the smallest number? Once you have 1, every other number that will be coming on that one to under 1, if you also have another number you have not broken down, you will now be repeating it 1. What's the smallest number that can divide this and this without remainder? I told you we are not using 1. Can 2 go? No. But can 3 go? Yes, because of this 3. 3 now will go. 3 divided by 3, 1. This one is already 1. So now everything has turned to 1, 1. That is to say, we will now bring these numbers here. What do we have there? 2, you put your times. Another 2, you put your times. We now have 3 equal to 2 times 2, 4, right? 4 times 3 will give us 12. Like I told you that LCM of 12 and 4 is 12. So, what's the LCM of 12 and 4? You say, look for your LCM of 12 and 4. What's the LCM now? LCM of 12 and 4 is 12. Now let's go. 11 over 12 minus 1 over 4. You put your equal to. You rule your division line. Please don't rush in learning this. It's very, very simple. You put your division line, what you have been doing since, right? What's our LCM now? 12. You bring it down here. 12 divided by 12 will give us 1, right? 1 times 11, that's 11 times 1, 11. You put your minus, that's this minus. 4 divided by 12. 4 go into 12. 12 oranges, 4 puppies, go and share it. How are they going to share it? How many? There's going to be what? 3, 3. So 4 divided by 12 will give us what? 3. 3, that 3 now times 1 will give us 3. 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3. That's 8, right? 8 over 12. If you present your answer like this, you are correct. But if you also decide to bring it down, then because there are also numbers that you can use to break this fraction to smaller units. So let's try 4. 4 going to 8. 4 going to 8 will give us 2, right? 4 going to 12 give us 3. That will give us 2 over 3. So this is our final answer, 2 over 3. Like I said, you can leave your answers as 8 over 12. And you can as well break it down to 2 over 3. But I will prefer breaking my answers down. You understand? Because sometimes in your exams, like you'll be seeing, like what you'll be seeing in your, you may be seeing it in your common entrance, whereby you'll be given options. Maybe the answer is going to be 2 over 3, but you are not able to break your answer down. Then you will not see 8 over 12 in your option. But if you see 2 over 3 in your option, you can just go with this. So either you leave it like this or you break it down, but I prefer breaking it down. Whenever you land in your answer, look at those the fraction that you answer, and ask yourself a question: is there any number that can still break these numbers down? If there is, break it down. If there is none, I mean without remainder. If there is none, you leave it like this. Do you understand? So you are going to do I have done question number 1, I have done number 2, and I have done number 5. You are going to do number 3 for me. You are going to do number 5 for me. This will be your class work. Do that, follow my examples, and you will get the correct answer. And also, what you will do for me, take your mathematics textbook, go to where they write questions. Please, it's very good to get textbooks. Parents, please buy them. Children, please tell your parents to buy mathematics textbook for you. Very, very important. Very, very important. You will like it. It will profit you. So look for where they wrote questions on subtraction of a fraction. Pick any of the questions. Follow this procedure. You will see that you arrive at the right answer. You understand? So do this for me. And when next I come back, I will check what you have done. Then we will now proceed to another topic of fraction, which is going to be division and multiplication of a fraction. See you in the next class. God bless you. Bye.